Hey guys, and welcome to Trenton and Heath. I am Trenton and this is my brother Heath. We are both shoe cobblers here in Nashville, Tennessee. For all of you guys out there who join us on a regular basis, welcome back. We appreciate you joining us. And for all of you folks coming over from Preston's channel, The Elegant Oxford, thank you so much for joining us. We really hope that you'll subscribe to our channel, as what you're going to see today is a lot of what we do, and I don't think you're going to want to miss it. So definitely hit that subscribe channel and give us a thumbs up. And for all of you folks out there in YouTube world who are coming across our videos, definitely make sure you check out this video, but then also go back to the Elegant Oxford and watch the other two videos that go along with this one.
So we came up with the idea of teaming up with the Elegant Oxford and finding it's just an old pair of shoes and completely overhauling these things. And we'll get to do our work on the, getting them back where they're wearable. And then we're gonna get them back over to the Elegant Oxford and let him work his magic on the uppers. And then afterwards, we're gonna get these back into the hands of some lucky person. So it's gonna be a fun project.
So what makes this video really cool is we're doing this for charity. Again, we got this pair of shoes. Preston's gonna do his part. We're gonna work our magic on our end. And then we're gonna take this pair of shoes, put them out on eBay, and the lucky winner will have this pair of shoes for their own, but then we are gonna take that money and put it toward charity. So again, definitely keep watching, stay in touch, because we will be putting that out on the community boards to let you all know just as soon as these shoes are done and they are put out there to be auctioned on. So anyways, let's get started.
Yeah, these things are pretty rough. They're kind of crumbling. All right, so just to catch people up where we're at right now, and for those who are just joining us, this is where we replaced the cork in the footbed. And in a minute we'll put some glue around the welt here and stick on a new sole. For those who are just joining us and not very familiar with shoes, we do get a lot of questions asked about the welt. Does the welt need to be changed? And the welt does not need to be changed unless it is either busted or so many holes in it that it started to deteriorate. A lot of times the sole does not need to be redone. I mean, the welt does not need to be redone. And some people ask, do you have to have a last to put on a new sole? No, you do not have to have a last to put on a new sole, especially when the welt is in good shape and you're not replacing it. And even then, you don't necessarily need one if the rib is in good play and in good shape. So we're going to put some glue on these and get back to the soles. Should I explain this?
Okay guys, so we are moving along. One thing that we are going to do differently on this pair of shoes is we're going to use stacked leather heel blocks. So the Allen Edmonds heel blocks, for a lot of you guys that haven't ever been to our channel before, is actually a leather compressed particle, or a leather board that's compressed together, basically ground up leather that is glued and put together. While it's a good block and they hold up, we are going all out on this pair of shoes and making these, you know, top notch. So that's why we're going with the stacked leather on these. So let's get these put on, get the top lifts or the heel pads put on, and we're almost done. All right guys, so we are officially done with our portion of the shoe. Before we show that, I just want to remind you guys, this is for charity. We are going to finish these shoes up, and then we're going to put them on eBay for you guys to auction or for you guys to bid on, and then all that money will go to charity. But you also are going to have to check out our boy Preston over at the YouTube channel, The Elegant Oxford. After we're done here, we're sending them back to Preston. He'll take care of the uppers and work his magic. Again, if you have not been to his channel, then definitely go there. Again, it's called The Elegant Oxford. We'll put the link down below in our description. But he does amazing work on the uppers of shoes, whether it's re-dyeing, whether it's, you know, polishing and wax and shoe color or shoe creams. The guy does amazing work, so definitely go down and check out his channel. And again, you're going to have to go to his channel to see what this final product looks like for these shoes.
Just a little rundown of what we did on this pair of Allen Edmonds. We put some new soles, some JR soles, some stacked leather blocks. We tipped them off with some Triumphs, and we put some JR combination heels on them. We did a little embellishing on the sole and just gave it a little pop of color with the stitching. So you'll got to go take a look when they're all done.
All right, guys, and again, for all of you folks that have not been to our channel before, we really appreciate it if you would give us a thumbs up, as that helps our channel to grow. And for all of you folks, if this is your first time here, definitely hit the subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. If nothing else, you're going to get a lot more of what you saw today in upcoming videos for our channel, along with a lot more. So again, we appreciate you stopping by, and until next time, have a great day.